Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell and to an organisation video. So today I'm going to be organising the clothes in my dresser drawers in my bedroom. They desperately need doing. I need to have a bit of a declutter in there, go through some of the clothes that I don't even wear anymore and just get it a lot more organised. I did this recently in my daughter's bedroom and it is so much better. It's much easier to put clothes away. I actually find that I'm more likely to put clothes away as well. It's quicker to find things. So yeah, I've got some really good storage options to share with you, and I'll be following the Marie Kondo method on how to kind of organise your dresser drawers. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Also it gives you some motivation and some kind of storage ideas as well. If you do like this video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, like this kind of thing, then I do quite a lot of cleaning, organisation, then I would love for you to subscribe. So just to give you an idea, I won't go through this drawer this much because it's my underwear drawer. So this one has got some organisation because I've got these little boxes that I picked up from IKEA, but I just need to sort out kind of what I wear and what I don't wear in there. This drawer is horrendous. I mean, it's barely, I can barely even get it open without pulling the drawers over. So yeah, it's just kind of so messy. I started off quite well, and then as time goes on, I end up just throwing clothes in there and then I can't find them. So yeah, half the stuff in there I probably don't even wear. And then the next one is, this is a kind of mixture drawer, I suppose. Oh, can you see that properly? Let me lower it down a bit more. So this one is, it's got some pyjamas in there, it's got some sportswear, loungewear. Yeah, it's just a bit messy, just needs sorting out really. And then, oh, the last one, again, is a bit of a mixture of pyjamas and sportswear, so I just need to divide all of those up. I mean, there's Christmas jumpers, I don't really need those in here at all, do I? So I just need to go through and sort it all out. So to start off with, I'm just going to basically empty everything out of the drawers. So now all the drawers are empty, I'm just going to give them a quick vacuum so they're nice and clean. They're not too bad. So now I've got all of the clothes out, I'm just basically going to go through them one piece at a time and decide what I want to keep and what I don't, and using the Marie Kondo method. Basically, does it bring me joy? Do I wear it? And if I don't, then I'm going to give it to charity. I've got one of these big, they're like big laundry bags. These are really handy for storing clothes and things in. So anything that I don't want, I'm just going to put into one of these bags to take to the charity shop. So I've sorted through all of the clothes and put them into kind of categories of what I want to keep. So I've got, I suppose, stuff that doesn't really need to go in my drawers up here. So Christmas jumpers, I've got some like Disney type stuff that doesn't need to be in my drawers. I've got gym wear, pyjamas, and then I've got a lot of kind of strappy tops, boob tubes, clothes that go under like jumpers and things, shorts, some loungewear. These are like little tops that go under, and then I've got sports bras, normal bras, underwear, and then I've filled pretty much a bag with just some rubbish in there, and then I've got almost a full bag for charity. So what I'm going to do first, I use these boxes. You get these from IKEA. It's a pack of 6. I think they're called scub boxes. They're really handy, and I'm going to use these to put the underwear and everything in just into different categories. So that's the first underwear drawer done, and I feel that is so much more organised now, and I've got rid of loads of stuff that I don't wear or it's just gone a bit tatty. So now I'm going to categorise the rest of the drawers. So I've got underwear in the top one, then I'm going to do like little tops and shorts in here, gym wear, loungewear, and then pyjamas, which I'll split into summer and winter. And I've got these, I bought some more of these scubs things as well that you get from IKEA, the dividers, so the ones that I've used in there, and I've got a couple of packets of these to help keep things divided. And then I also got some of these drawer dividers from B&M as well, although these look a lot smaller. I did also just remember I had these, so I bought these to do the kitchen. These are from IKEA. They're really handy because you can basically stretch them to the size that you want them, and then they act as kind of drawer dividers. There we go. So you put them in here, stretch them out, and then look. They work as kind of perfect drawer dividers. So these are quite good for bigger things. So I might use these for maybe like dividing kind of summer and winter pyjamas. So they're really handy. They're so sturdy. Like I said, I use these in the kitchen as well. So these, I might put all the shorts in here. And normally when I put clothes away, I find them much better if they're folded and stored upright, like so. So I've sorted all of my stuff out into these little boxes. So I've got shorts in this one, black kind of cami tops, like tops that I'd wear underneath things here, other black tops here, white tops here, white kind of strappy tops here, and then I've got boob tubes in this one, and then I've got a couple of pairs of cycling shorts there, so they're going to go in the second drawer. So you can see I've got my shorts, cycling shorts, hardly ever wear them, so they can go at the back. And then I've also got a couple of kind of cover-ups, and then because I won't wear them till the summer, they can go in that gap there. So hopefully now it's in these boxes, it will stay a lot more organised. Even if it doesn't, and I don't, you know, fold it very well, at least I know that black tops go in there, white tops go there, shorts go there, and it's less likely just to all get jumbled into one big mess. So I've got another scub pack left, so I think I'm going to use this. I might use this, oh I don't know. Do I put pyjamas in these maybe? I've got two big ones. I might... Let me go through my things and decide. So my sports tops I'm going to put into another one of these boxes. So I thought I had loads of gym stuff, but actually when I've sorted it out and put it in here, it's not too bad. So I've got one box of t-shirts, one of leggings, one of, actually I'll put the shorts at the back because I won't really wear them until the summer. One of shorts, one of leggings. And then I've just got a couple of hoodies that I'll put there. The only thing I've got left to do now are my pyjamas. So I've put like really summer pyjamas, so just like real strappy ones in this little box there to keep those all together. And then the rest of my pyjamas, I'm just going to put them together and then fold them actually together, just so it's a lot easier to get them out and then pop them into one of the boxes. So bigger pyjamas in there, and then I've got some summer pyjamas. Actually I might put night shirts. I've only got two night shirts. So the last drawer to fill now is for pyjamas. So I've got my wintry kind of pyjamas here. Night dresses I'll put behind there. Again, really summer pyjamas, and then a couple of pairs of summery ones here, and then just going to use this divider here, and then I've got one loungewear set. I've got another one which is in the wash, so I'll put one there, and then my other one that's in the wash can go there. Then hopefully everything is now in its place, it will stay nice and organised. So these are the drawers all done. So underwear drawer hasn't changed that much, I've just organised it a lot better. Then this drawer, to be honest, is still quite full, but because I've put these in here, hopefully it should help keep everything organised a lot better. I mean, to be honest, these are all short, so I don't wear these until the summer, so I could even put them away under the bed, and then this drawer wouldn't feel as cluttered, so I might actually do that, to be honest. Then the next drawer down is kind of gym wear, lounge wear, so I've got all my leggings, gym tops, and then some hoodies in there. And then the final drawer are pyjamas, so I've got my wintry pyjamas at the front, summer ones at the back, and they're summery ones as well, and then I've got a lounge set there. So I just feel like everything has a place now, so even if it's not all neatly folded, then at least it will go in its place. So the drawers are all done now. I'm so pleased with how much more organised it is now. Hopefully this video has been useful and given you some tips or motivation on how to get your dresser drawers organised. I did also just want to share another tip that Nick uses actually. In terms of like decluttering and getting rid of your clothes. So what he does is, when he did his drawers, probably about a year ago now, he put stickers on all of his clothes, and then when he wears a top, then he takes the sticker off. So then when you look in your drawer 6 months later, it's really easy. Anything that has a sticker on, you essentially know that you haven't worn it, so it's probably not worth keeping. Yeah, I just thought that I would share that little tip with you. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and hopefully I'll see you again soon. Bye.